The Armada Technologies Pro800D wire and valve locator. Your kit should consist of a transmitter and carrying case, a receiving wand, a set of black and red connecting leads, headphones, and a ground stake. Before you start, make sure these are all there. The Pro800D transmitter takes 8 D-cell batteries. To install the batteries, open the battery compartment on the right side of the transmitter by removing the 2 holding screws. Place the batteries in the holder with the negative and positive terminals assigned as shown on the diagram inside the battery compartment. Then replace the compartment and screws. To test the batteries, turn on the transmitter and push and hold the red battery test button. A reading of 10 or higher on the meter indicates the batteries are good and installed correctly. If you see no response, try adjusting the batteries and be sure they are fresh. The receiver unit takes one 9-volt battery. The battery compartment is on the underside of the receiver. To install the battery, remove the 2 screws in the battery compartment cover. Connect the positive and negative terminals on the top of the battery and place the battery in the compartment. Then replace the cover and screws. To test the receiver battery, turn the receiver on and press the battery test button on the underside of the receiver. The analog needle should move to the right to indicate the battery is good. To connect the headphones, plug them into the headphone jack on the underside of the receiver. You will be able to hear the signal either on the receiver's external speaker or through headphones. Plug the black lead into the black outlet on the transmitter. And plug the red lead into the red outlet. In the next segment, we will show you how to ground the unit with a provided ground stake.